In this video, how to fix missing MSVCP140.dll file in Windows. So first you need to go to app. In this you need to go to install applications and scroll down and check for Microsoft Visual C++. So few of them have only old versions. So if you in this old version, so you can see in the right corner three dot icon is there. If you click the three dot icon means it will not give modify option. So in the newer version we have modify option. So you can modify it and you can repair it. So setup is successfully repaired. You can do it for a newer version both and repair it. And after repair you can check the issue still remains, then go for next method. So open your browser and write download Visual C++. Then go to the official website of Microsoft and click the latest supporting Visual C++. and uh, and you can scroll down and click the latest update. And once you click this, it will shows the architecture of x86 and 64. So both you need to download. So first you need to download 86 and download 64. Once the download completed, then you need to install it. So if you already install the latest version, it will show only repair. If you are going to newly install means it shows the install option. So I will show here. I already installed this, so it's showing repair. So if you click repair, it will reinstall again. The setup is again reinstall. So again I'm going with 86-bit. I'm not installed the 86-bit. So you can see now it shows install option. So you need to click install and install the latest version. So once you install the latest version, then after you can check it, the problem will fix. Now it's installing right now. Yes, successfully installed. One install after, you need to restart your PC. After restart, you can check it's fixed. Thank you.